When you work in an environment like Las Vegas, people have opportunities to choose different employers, but they stay because you invest in them.
I've always been a big dreamer. Being new at MGM, I wanted to step into a leadership role. I have to get the vice presidents of table games to buy into my recommendations. And I started thinking like, well, how do I do that? What skills do I need to acquire?
We created the LEAD program to provide professional development to all of our employees in the organization, but particularly our frontline employees. So this is about reaching the employees that may not have access to traditional education.
We needed a way for our learners to have access to micro video-based learning. And that's where LinkedIn Learning really completed our program.
Most of our employees don't work a 9-to-5 schedule, but they have access to this content any time of day, anywhere they are.
The best thing about LinkedIn Learning is whatever skill you think you need, you can just go in and type it in the search bar and a whole list of things will pop up to help you become a better you. The LinkedIn Learning videos give me little tips and tricks on how to say things, how to ask the right questions to get people to start thinking in the direction that I want them to think in.
Give every one of your talented employees access to opportunities and they will surprise you. And from a business perspective, when you do that, you become more creative, more innovative, you have greater loyalty.
I believe that LinkedIn Learning has significant impact on my promotion. Now I feel like I have everything that I need to grow my career in one platform. It's almost vital to my success. Without it, I would not be where I am today.